Hi, my name is James, and today I'm wearing my Longines Hydroconquest. It's just one of my favourite watches. It's probably one of the watches I've owned for the longest period of time. Bought it way back in 2013, ripe old age of 23. And this watch has been with me everywhere. I've travelled around the world with it, dived in the Great Barrier Reef, I've caught trains in the subway of New York with it. It's been a companion of mine for a long time, and I've experienced so many things with it. It's a bit of a shame at the moment. I was riding my bike about 3 weeks ago, bombing down a hill doing 40 k's an hour, went over a massive bump, and one of the spring bars failed, and the watch fell off and hit the deck. And now subsequently the crown is just completely stuck. It's buggered. Yeah, the impact did not kill the watch. It's actually pretty remarkable. It hit the deck so hard, and yet there is obviously a huge amount of robustness in this watch because the ETA 2824-2 movement did not stop ticking the whole time. I wear this watch everywhere. I've had it on numerous different NATOs, leather bands. It's pretty much perfect as a daily for what I like. It's robust, it's water resistant, it's, has that classic look, but, I love the Longines name, the Longines heritage as well. 2824 movement, it's got everything. It's not the end of the story of the watch. I'm going to take it to Longines, I'm going to get it serviced, I'm going to figure out what the process is to get my baby back to where it was, and I hope to own it for the rest of my life.